friend request to who has the most friends, which is a medium level problem. The table name is request accepted, which has three columns, that is requester ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. Requester ID and acceptor ID is the primary key combination of columns with unique values for this table. This table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, the ID of the user who received the request, and the date when the request was accepted. I write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends number. The test cases are generated so that only one person has most friends. The result format is in the following example. So we have requester ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. As you can see, one has sent request to 2, one has sent request to 3. So we have total of 2 requests sent by 1. Then we have 2 who has sent request to 3, and then we have 3 who has sent request to 4. So as you can see, 1 has sent 2 requests, 2 has sent 1 request, and 3 has sent 1 request. And now for the acceptor ID, we can see here that 2 has got 1 request, 3 has got 2 requests, and 4 has got 1 request only. So we need to sum both the requests and the requests sent, okay, for each user. Only then we will find out the number of people who have their friends with. So for that we can simply select requester ID as ID, comma, count requester ID as num from request accepted group by ID. Okay, so for this query we are only getting the data where the user ID has sent the number of requests. Okay, so we have 1 who has sent 2 requests. Okay, and we have 2 who has sent 1 request, and we have 3 who has sent 1 request. Now we need to find the data, the same data for the acceptor ID, and we will simply union our data, that is the requester ID as ID and acceptor ID as ID, and the count of requester ID and the count of acceptor ID as num. So for that we can simply union all, and we can copy the same query here, just change the name of requester ID as acceptor ID. Acceptor ID, and we will simply count the acceptor IDs as num. Now we have the data for the requests, the number of requests sent and the number of requests got for each ID. Okay, so we have 1 with only 1 row, 2 with 2 rows, that is 1 might be request sent and 1 might be request accepted. For 3 we have 2 rows, that is 3 might have sent 1 request, that is 1, and 3 has got 2 requests from 1 and 2. So we have 3 2 here. Now what we can do, we can simply wrap this in a CTE with CTE as, and let's group our data by the ID, and we will simply sum the number of requests and sent. So select ID comma sum num and name it as num only from CTE group by ID, order by num in descending order, and limit to only 1. So we are selecting the ID and the total number of friends from CTE, grouping the ID by the total number of friends, that is the highest number of friends will come first for each ID, and limit to 1. So we get the ID who has the most number of friends. So let's run this query. Okay, so we have this ID and num, and output and accepted both are same. So let's submit it. So as you can see, our solution is accepted. It is a tricky problem, but easy when you understand the concepts.